Good morning, everyone. This is Eji Sir, lecturer in biology, St. Gregory's High School and College. I hope you guys are fit and sound, doing your studies regularly at home. We're, we have started chapter 10, coordination, and today we are going to discuss about phytohormones and the uses of phytohormones. The first hormone we are going to discuss today, that is gibberellin. Gibberellin is concerned with the growth of the stem, seed germination, and flowering. Most of the gibberellins are found in mature seeds, but they are also traced in seedlings, cotyledons, and meristematic regions of the leaves. It also promotes fruit growth, elongation of shoots, and in breaking the dormancy in seeds and buds. Our next hormone is cytokinin. Cytokinins are present in the areas of cell division as in fruits and seeds. It also helps in opening of the stomata. It promotes cell division and cell enlargement. It promotes the germination of seeds. They also delay aging in leaves as well as other parts of the plant body. So you can see cytokinins, they are promoting cell division in plants. They're also promoting the opening of the stomata and delaying aging in leaves. The last but not the least phytohormone is ethylene. Ethylene is a gaseous plant growth regulator. It can be found in fruits, flower, seeds, leaves, and roots. It triggers the initiation of growing flowers and fruits. It plays role in ripening of fruits. That means, as you we all have fruits. We all eat fruits. We all eat ripe mangoes, ripe bananas, ripe fruits. And as the fruits become ripe, just because of ethylene. And many of the businessmen, those are connected with this fruit business, they also use this ethylene for artificially ripening of food. So next topic is uses of hormones. So the hormones that we discussed in our previous class or in this class, auxin, gibberellin, ethylene, we are going to discuss about their uses. How do we use them? Okay. Auxins are one specific group of hormones that are used as weed killers and as rooting powders. And you may ask me, sir, what is weed killers? Actually, weed killers, weed means some weed pairs of a main that grows around the main part of another plant, and these are not useful for that plant, and it would be very good for that plant to get rid of these weeds, and by using auxin we can get rid of weeds. That's why it is called weed killers. But definitely you have to remember that the selective weed killers kill some plants but not others. Okay, this can be useful for getting rid of Dendronius in a lawn without killing the grass or weeds that complete with crops such as wheat. So, what have we learned? Selective weed killers kill plants that some species of animals rely on as a food source. This can result in a reduction of biodiversity. So, what is rooting powder? Rooting powder contains growth hormones that make stem cutting develop roots quickly. That you know that rooting powder it's a uses of auxin, so definitely it contains growth hormones. Next, gibberellins can be used to end seed dormancy, promote flowering, increase fruit size. Okay. Ethylene is used routinely within the food industry to provide controlled ripening during storage and transport, or when fruit is displayed in shops in sealed packages. Ethylene is a hydrocarbon gas and it speeds up ripening fruits. So that was the topics we were about to discuss today. I have tried my best to make the lecture easy and clear for you, and I hope you guys have understood what I tried to make clear. Still, if you have any more question regarding this lecture, you can ask me. You guys are always welcome to ask. So that's it for today. Stay safe and wear a mask if you want to go outside. Thank you very much.